Salute.
Hello, Earth people. Welcome back to an update from myself and Lewis. We want to let you know about something that we're doing.
It's very big. You're gonna love it.
Yeah, Lewis, what is it that we're doing?
So what we're doing is we're doing a diversity repair lab.
Oh my gosh.
And basically what that entails is that...
Hold on, can you say that again?
What, diversity repair lab?
Diversity Repair Lab. Please, Lewis, do tell.
Well, I was going to, but anyway, basically what that entails is you bring us products, products that you may have loved. Now, what do I mean by products? I don't mean just anything. I'm sorry. It's not just anything we're taking here. We're taking things that are of a nicer quality. So things that are like cashmere, like leather, like high-end designer, things like that, that may have gotten, a tear, a rip, a hole, something like that, but you don't want to throw it away. It's nice.
Yeah, so like your favorite thing. Your favorite thing that you've had for years and years and years, and you've worn it to the point where it has issues and you would like them repaired. That's going to be one part of the Diversity Repair Lab. Now, another part is, and by the way, this is in partnership with Baby Share Designs. Baby Share Designs is low-key fire at reworking damaged, higher-end, nicer clothing.
She does her thing.
She uses Sashiko inspired patching, and it's done extremely tastefully. In fact, we're going to show you in a minute, but where our what is it? The staff picks rack is currently going to be a rotating collection of clothing that Baby Share has reworked back together. Those will be for sale every 60 days. It's going to be a rotation. That includes brands like Dolce & Gabbana, cashmeres, leathers, really nice things. And they may have had once had an issue. There's also like a Kuji inspired sweater in there as well. It may have had an issue, and now that issue turned into something much more elevated. So I think you're really going to enjoy it. It's really cool. Happy about Baby Share and what they do, and it's just going to be great. But we're also going to be planning a workshop day where they come in and can quote out some prices for things. Maybe if it's small, do it on the spot. If not, you'll leave your items here, and then they will be returned to you finished in a very tastefully designed way.
Very cool. Trust me. I looked at some of the things, and I was just like
yeah, it's good.
Very, very good.
So if it's a patch, if it's so severe that it needs a patch applied to it, they use like natural wool fibers or really nice plaids. Like I'm pretty sure one of these patches was from like a Pendleton wool. It must have been, because it's really, really nice.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, this is no joke, and it's going to be really cool to display them for sale. And why don't we show them exactly where it's going to be?
Alright, so this is where the products are going to live, right here, which was formerly Employee Picks. Not going to be Employee Picks anymore. This is going to be where all the Diversity Repair Lab products are going to be. It's going to be sized and everything, so you know what sizes you're getting. But yeah, this is where they're going to reside.